You may have heard about golden fish before. Golden fish grows according to the size of its pond. If you put a golden fish in a small bucket, it will not grow beyond that size. If you put it in a big pond, it has the opportunity to express itself and it becomes a big fish, massive fish. The same thing with our children. The kind of environment, the kind of home they come from play a significant role in their ability to learn and to excel in learning. What support are you giving to your child? For most parents, the moment they've paid school fee, they believe they don't have any other role to play again. They will not buy even some other books for their children. And the same parent will begin to blame schools. See, you've got to take responsibility for your child's success. Stop blaming anybody. Take full responsibility. My child is going to top his class. Don't settle for less. I didn't settle for less when my son took 18th position out of 18 children in his class. See, what you are willing to accept is the performance that your child will always give to you. Write it down. What are you willing to accept? I am not ready to accept any mediocre result from my child. And so when he brought mediocre report card, I did something about it. Your child may have brought a report card that you didn't like last term. What have you done about it? Hey, you fought with your child for a couple of weeks, and thereafter everything came back to normal. You have looked for the school fee now, ready to pay if you have not paid. See, without changing the strategy, the child will still go back to school and do the same thing that he did last time that gave him the kind of result that he got. And if your child has done well last time, your child can do far better. With the kind of brain that God gave us, enormous, powerful, every child can excel. In fact, learning is the smallest thing that the brain can handle. Do you know the brain of a chicken? That small rodent brain. If that brain can be taught how to play piano, imagine the big head, the big brain that our brain has. Have you seen that video before? I'll send it to you. They taught a chicken how to play a piano, and he did. So your child can learn anything and excel in learning.